Recently, we've noticed a common mistake where homeowners install two separate gates, a swing gate for pedestrians and a sliding gate for the main entrance. Initially, they may not consider automating the pedestrian gate. However, due to visitors not closing the gates and the need to manually open the pedestrian gate during vehicle entry, clients end up automating both gates separately, resulting in double the cost of automation with separate motors for sliding and swing gates. A solution to this issue is to provide a single main gate that can serve as both the main entrance and pedestrian gate using our sliding gate opener. With these gate motors, you can open the main gate up to thrift using a dedicated button on the remote or a switch in your house. The main gate can still be used normally at all other times. This approach will help you save money by avoiding additional expenses for your dream homes.
Simplify your life. LMT Automations.